Okay, good afternoon, children. Okay. Today we are going to revise the chapter matrices. What is a matrix? Matrices. What is a matrix? Yes, tell me. If you give the answer, we'll be able to move forward at the earliest. Yes or no? Otherwise, I have to repeat it again and again. Those who know the answer, give the answer.
Rectangular arrangement of elements in rows and columns.
Yes, it is the rectangular arrangement of elements in rows and columns. Okay. What is meant by order of a matrix? Order is given by number of rows into number of columns. It is given by number of rows into number of columns. Okay. An M by N matrix will contain how many elements? An M by N matrix will contain Mn elements. Okay. Number of rows into number of columns. So an M by N matrix will contain Mn elements. Okay. Now, then we have learned about types of matrices. What about the types of matrices? What are the different types of matrices we have learned? Row matrix. What is meant by row matrix? Element having? Yes. Row matrix means matrix having?
Only one row.
Only one row. Very good. Only one row. What about the order of a row matrix? Order of a row matrix is?
1 by n.
1 by m. And what about column matrix? Only one column will be there. Okay, only one column. So, column matrix means what is the order?
M by 1.
M by 1. M by 1. Okay, then square matrix means?
Same number of rows and columns.
Same number of rows and columns. What about diagonal matrix? What about diagonal matrix? A square matrix. First of all, it is a square matrix. A square matrix in which the diagonal entries are non-zero. It is an square matrix in which the diagonal entries are non-zero, means it is called a diagonal matrix. Okay, all the other entries will be zero. Okay, for example, if you take a matrix like this, 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, root 2. This is a diagonal matrix. This is the diagonal matrix. Now, in a diagonal matrix, if all the diagonal entries are same, it is called a scalar matrix. 0, 0, 5 means it will become a scalar matrix. And if the scalar entry is 1, it is called identity matrix or unit matrix. Identity matrix of order 3, we denote it as I3. Identity matrix of order 2, we denote it as I2, and so on. Okay. And next is zero matrix. Zero matrix is a rectangular matrix. It's not a square matrix. It is a rectangular matrix in which all the entries are zero. Okay, it may be a 2 by 3 matrix or 3 by 2 matrix. So zero matrix may be a rectangular matrix. Then equality of matrices. When you say two matrices are equal, two matrices are equal means orders are same and the corresponding entries are same. Orders are same and corresponding entries are same. Then we have learned about operations, different operations of matrices. What are the different operations we have learned? What are the different operations we have learned in matrices?
Addition.
Addition.
Subtraction. Multiplication.
One more. Yes. What is it? Only Gauri is answering. What about the others? If you say the answer, you'll be able to recollect it easily during the exam.
Transpose.
It is not transpose. Addition, multiplication, subtraction चाहिए. One more thing is there. Scalar multiplication of a matrix. Okay, if a matrix you multiply by a non-zero number, 5 into A. 5 into A means multiplication of a matrix by a non-zero scalar. Okay, so for addition, okay, we'll be able to add two matrices of the same order. A 2 by 3 matrix, we'll add with a 2 by 3 matrix. Two matrices of same order will be able to, we can add, we can subtract. But what about multiplication? 2 by 3 matrix, we can multiply it with a 2 by 3 matrix. We can multiply this matrix with a dash matrix of order. Two by 3 matrix, we can multiply it with a dash matrix.
3 by
3 by any order. Okay, 3 by n. We can take it as 3 by n. So, what will be the order? Suppose A is a matrix of order 2 by 3. B is a matrix of order 3 by n. Then what will be the order of AB? It is 2 by n. Okay. Then we have learned about transpose. Okay, what is meant by transpose of a matrix? How will you find the transpose? How will you find the transpose of a matrix?
the change in rows and columns.
By interchanging rows and columns. Okay. A 2 by 3 matrix, if you take the transpose, the order will be 3 by 2. A 2 by 3 matrix, if you take the transpose, it will be 3 by 2. What about symmetric matrix? When will you say matrix is symmetric? Aditya.
Ma'am, same.
What same? Yes, open the textbook. Open the textbook. Find out and give the answer. First, open your textbook.
And when A transpose equal to A.
If A transpose, is it possible for all matrices? There also one condition is there. What is that? What is the condition?
Ma'am, it should be a square matrix.
Very good. It should be a square matrix. A square matrix is said to be symmetric if A transpose is equal to A. It is not for all matrices. It is for only square matrix. And what about skew symmetric? What about skew symmetric?
A transpose equal to minus.
A transpose is equal to minus A. Very good, Nandana. A transpose is minus A. What can you say about the diagonal entries of a skew symmetric matrix? What can you say about the diagonal entries of a skew symmetric matrix? Yes, Achal. It
Will be
is
zero.
0. It will be 0. All the diagonal entries will be 0. Okay, A transpose will be negative A means it is said to be skew symmetric. Then, suppose you are given a matrix A, we can express it as a sum of any matrix A can be expressed as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, any matrix A can be expressed as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. How will you find the symmetric matrix? The symmetric matrix will be given by half of A plus A transpose. And skew symmetric matrix will be given by half of A minus A transpose. We are given a matrix A means we can write this as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric, where the symmetric matrix is obtained by half of A plus A transpose and skew symmetric is given by half of A minus A transpose. Okay. So this, and the last topic is deleted. Elementary row and column operations is deleted. So only up to this we have, and one more part is that the definition of invertible is there. When will you say matrix is invertible? Inverse exists, isn't it? If inverse exists, we say invertible. What is the definition we learned there? Okay, a matrix of order n is said to be invertible. Square matrix. First of all, it is a square matrix. Okay, a matrix of order n is said to be invertible if there is another matrix B such that AB is equal to BA is equal to I. Identity matrix. A into B is equal to B into A is equal to I means we say A is invertible and inverse of A is B and inverse of B is A. Both are same. So only this much concept is there in matrices. Only this much we have learned. Okay, now we are going to do the problems from the matrix part. Okay. Aryan, Muhammad Adim, Shivani, Navrin, turn on your video and attend the class. Krishna Chandran, Nia, write the question. A is equal to matrix. Capital A is equal to matrix A0, 0, 0, A0, 0, 0, A. Okay, A is equal to matrix this much. Then A raised to n is equal to dash. Then A raised to n is equal to dash. So this is the option given. A raised to n 0, 0, 0 A raised to n 0, 0, 0 A raised to n. B A raised to n 0, 0, 0 A 0, 0, 0 A. C A raised to n 0, 0, A raised to n 0, 0, 0, 0 A raised to n. And D NA 0, 0, 0 NA 0, 0, 0 NA. What is the answer? What will be the answer? How will you do this? This is, okay, either it is a 3 by 3 matrix or 4 by 4 matrix, 2 by 2 matrix, method is same. A is given. What you can do, we can't take A raised to n. Instead of that, you find out what is A square. What is the result for A square? From here, you can generalize it. What is A square? A 0, 0, 0 A 0, 0, 0, 0 into, you multiply this. 0 A 0, 0, 0 A. When you multiply this, what you will get? Row with column. And what is the answer you will get?
A square 0, 0.
A square 0, 0. Then 0 A square 0. Is it like this? Yes or no? So therefore, what will be A raised to n? What is the option?
First.
First one. The option is first one. Next one. Next one. A is equal to matrix. A is equal to matrix 0 C minus B minus C 0 A B minus A 0. and B is equal to matrix. B is equal to matrix A square AB AC, AB B square BC, AC BC C square. Then AB is equal to, then AB is equal to, AB is equal to option A, B, option B, A, option C, 0, option D, I. What is the answer? Multiply this row with column. What you will get? 0, A plus ABC minus ABC, isn't it? Is that no? Now take the first row with the next one. AB plus BC square minus B square C, BC, B square C minus B square C. 0, here it will become 0. Again here A is 0 plus BC square minus BC square. So surely it will not be A, it will not be B, it will not be I. So it is the option. Look at here, everything is getting cancelled, is or no? So it will be the option.
0.
0. It will be a 0 matrix. You see, you get that as 0. If you want, you can expand it fully and you can check. Okay. Right, the next one. Next one. A is equal to matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Then A square plus 2A is equal to option A square, B 3A, C I, D 2A. What will be the answer? A is equal to matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So it will be A square plus 2A. What is the answer? Is it needed to do it whole thing? A is the identity matrix. So it will be A square.
Same.
It is same. I itself we will get, which is same as A. So this one will become A plus 2A. So it will be the answer.
3.
3A. It will be 3A. Okay. Identity matrix, when you square it, you'll get again the identity itself. Write the next one. A is a square matrix. A is a square matrix such that A is a square matrix such that A minus 2i into A plus I is 0. Then A inverse is option A minus I by 2, B, A plus I by 2, C, 2 into A minus I, D, 2A plus I. What is the answer? If this is 0, what is A inverse? Yes, what is the answer? What is the answer? Atul. So when you expand it, what you will get? A square plus AI minus 2AI minus 2I is 0, isn't it? So we'll get A square minus AI minus 2I is 0. We want to find A inverse. What you can do? Divide each term by A. So we get A minus I minus 2 into I. Okay, 2 by I means it will become A inverse. So you can write A minus I is 2A inverse. Therefore, A inverse is A minus I by 2. Yes or no? You expand it, divide by A. Dividing by A means what you are doing there? You reduce the powers of A by 1. Yes, make it fast. Is it okay? Is it okay? Yes?
Can you show them?
Yes. What about the others? Krishna Chandran, Rijas, Mohammad Adim? Nia? Mohammad Adim? All right, the next one. Yes. Achut?
Ma'am, it should be minus 2y square, right?
How? What is I into I?
Yes, ma'am.
I. Write the next one. Capital A is equal to matrix Aij 2 by 2 is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to I plus 2j the whole square by 2. Find capital A. Find capital A. Okay, we want to find the matrix A. It's a 2 by 2 matrix. So capital A is what we know. Okay, for the exam, if this type of questions are asked, means do it with the minimum number of steps. If you take hours and hours, if you write pages and pages, you'll not be able to complete it within the time. Okay, so some calculations and all, you can do it in the mind and you can write. A11, if you write it straight away, you can substitute here. I is 1 and J is 1. What will be the answer? Aditya, what is A11?
9. 9 by
9.
2.
Yes, 9 by 2. Michael, what is A12? In the place of I, you put 1, J, it is 2. So what you will get?
5.
So 5 square is there. So what will be the answer?
25 by 2.
Yes, it is 25 by 2. Dia, 821.
16 by 2.
16 by 2, which is 8. Srihari,
36 by 2.
how will you get 36 by 2? I is 2. So, yeah, 36 by 2. Is it correct? I think 2 2s are 4. Okay, 4. Yes, correct. 36 by 2 means it is 18. Yes. Okay, now look at the next one. Find the order of the matrix. Find the order of the matrix obtained from 1 minus 1, 0, 2, 2, 3 into minus 1, 0, 2, 2, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, 23,
Ma'am,
1, 0, 21. Yes,
ma'am, is there a curly bracket?
it's a carry bracket. Find the, this is the question given. Find the order of the matrix obtained from. And this is given. What will be the answer? What is the order of the matrix? Aryan, what will be the answer?
3 by 3.
What first matrix? If you take this first matrix, what is this order? It is 2 by 3, isn't it? And here it is 2 by 3. So it is 3 by 3. Very good, Aryan. It is a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, note, we are not writing steps and steps. Okay, but you have to think it and you have to do. Okay, here it's a 3 by 2 matrix and that the other two are 2 by 3 matrix. So when you multiply it, it will be a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. You clear, children? Okay. So the next one. Find A, B, C, X, Y, and Z. Find A, B, C, X, Y, and Z. If X plus 3, Z plus 4, 2Y minus 7, 4X plus 6, A minus 1, 0, B minus 3, 3B, Z plus 2C equal to. 0, 6, 3y minus 2, 2x minus 3, 2c plus 2, 2b plus 4, minus 21, 0. Okay, and we are given with 4 set of numbers. Okay, we are given with A, C, D. Okay, why I insist is this 2 cases are there. Okay, 2 types of questions are there in this model. Both the model we can discuss. Okay, here we are given with 4 set of 6 Okay, we are given with 4 options with 6 numbers. Find out. I'll mark your attendance. Yes. What is the answer? For which entry you will get 0?
I equal to C.
I is equal to j. Aij is 0 for here. A is possible, both B is possible, isn't it? When I becomes j, when I and j are equal, it will become a non-zero entry. For a diagonal matrix, Aij is not equal to 0 for, okay, is when I is equal to j, isn't it? For example, if you take the matrix like this, 5, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 5. Okay, for I less than j and for I greater than j, in all the cases we will get it is 0. Okay. So,
Ma'am,
yes.
I did not understand the question. Can you tell the question?
Okay. In a diagonal matrix, Aij is 0. In a diagonal matrix, Aij is 0 if these are the 4 options given. I less than j, I greater than j, I equal to j, D is for all I and j. Okay, children. Okay. You copied it, Achyut?
Yes, ma'am.
So learn the definitions thoroughly. Yes.
No, what is the answer for that question?
So 2 options are possible then. No. For I less than j also will get 0. For I greater than j. Okay. I
So
think
how we will mark in the OMR sheet?
so. I see this is from one booklet only. I'm giving this. It's not in the question form. So sometimes the option will be given. Okay. Below this, sometimes the option will be given. A and B are possible. A and C will be possible like that. Some options will be given. Okay. Is it clear? So some cases A and B are possible means below that options will be given. A and B are possible. Only A is possible. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you. This we wind up.